overdose, where troubles never cease. There's a tiny little pill that promises release. Doctors keep on pushing, saying it's the cure-all. From broken hearts to ailments they claim won't let you fall. It's the magic in a capsule. They say it's what you need, a remedy for every woe. It's the answer guaranteed. But can a simple pill erase the pain we feel inside? Or is it just a placebo, a trick to help us hide? From sickness to disease, and even lifts the burden of our worries and unease. But can a pill replace the love we've lost along the way, or mend the broken pieces of our shattered yesterday? It's the magic in a capsule. They say it's what you need, a remedy for every woe. Searching for a shortcut, an easy fix to mend, but maybe true healing lies beyond what we can comprehend. For life is filled with struggles, and pain is part of the deal. But it's in facing our battles that we find what's true. It's the magic in a capsule. They say it's what you need, a remedy for every woe. It's the answer guaranteed. But can a simple pill erase the pain we feel inside? Or is it just a placebo, a trick to help us hide? So before you pop